guys, and welcome back to our channel, Paws, Claws and Feathers. I'm Ola, that's my partner Nash over there. Say hi.
Hello.
Today we're taking the Cockatiels out for a little bit of free flight. Many of you have asked me to do a vlog about free flight, so we're going to give that a shot. We're currently en route to the location where we usually take the wee guys, so we'll catch you there in a second. So that's us here. Before we get going, I thought I'd tell you guys a little bit about the Cockatiels. So Denali, the grey cockatiel, we like to call him organic. We got him a few months ago, back in February?
Yeah, February.
Yeah, February. So he was previously trained to free fly by his old owner, and he's a lot more skilled than Paco and Feilan. Speaking of Paco and Feilan, Paco's been free flying for almost a year now. He's our Primrose Pride cockatiel, the yellow one. He mainly does A-B flights, meaning that he'll fly from me to a perch and then back to me, and then that's how he flies. He's never really tried to loop apart from once. Feilan, this is going to be his third free flight, so I wouldn't expect too much from him, but you never know, he's crazy. So as you guys can see, that's us at the glorious location. We are just about to set up as the cockatiels are really hyper and really wanting to get out. So as you guys can see, that's us back home now. We've decided to come chill in the garden, which is netted for those of you that don't know, as it gives the birds a bigger chance of stretching their wings and it lets us practice flight with this one. I have decided to become one with the Cockatiels. Hi. the amazing perks of having a netted garden is being able to shower these guys outside. This prevents our living room from getting flooded. If you guys want to know how to make a netted garden, I'm pretty sure Mikey the Macaw just released a video on that. I'll link it in the description. Now that the birds have mainly dried off, we're going to go take them in, as it's kind of getting a bit chilly in the garden as the sun's, you know, starting to set. That's really all for this video. If you've enjoyed it, let me know. We might do something like this again, and as usual, we'll see you at the next video. Bye guys!